So if you've not been concentrating in year 9 or year 10 in school and you've got your exams coming up this year, this is something that I really want you to focus on. And it's all to do with how you answer exam questions. So you know when you're answering an exam question sometimes and there's a bunch of text right at the beginning, right at the start, before the actual exam question. What I want you to do is I really want you to focus on that. Don't just ignore it and skip to the question. I want you to go back to that and I want you to underline or highlight the key points in that question, the key words in that question, annotate around it so you can familiarize yourself with what is it actually telling you, what information is in that text that could help you to answer the question. It's a mistake that loads of students make and they tend to forget about that big bulk of text that's there and jump straight to the question without actually using the information that's in that text. So for example, we've got this question here and you've got all this information over here. Don't get put off by this information, actually use this information. So highlight, underline the key words and the command words that are in this information and this question. So first of all, in the question it's saying the liver is also responsible for controlling blood glucose concentration of blood. So here it's telling you liver is the one that controls the blood glucose concentration. After eating a meal, a person's glucose concentration increases. So after eating, the blood glucose concentration increases. Then this question is asking you to describe how the pancreas and the liver act to return the blood glucose concentration to normal. So it's given you information there. It's told you about the liver and what the liver does in terms of what it's responsible for, and it also tells you what happens after a person's eaten. So link that information together to actually write your answer. So the first thing we're going to focus on is the command word, and the command word is describe. Now remember the command word describe. For this command word, what you need to do is you need to state the facts about a topic, you need to give characteristics and main features, or you need to recall events or processes. So it's asking you to describe how, and then it says the pancreas and the liver act to return the blood glucose concentration to normal, and it's 3 marks, so that's 3 points. Remember, when the blood glucose concentration is high, the pancreas detects that. The pancreas produces insulin, which causes the liver to convert glucose into glycogen.